Standard 7. History and Civics. The Maratha War of Independence. Name the following. After the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Marathas fought with great valor with the Mughals under the leadership of these three leaders to protect the Swaraj. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj and Maharani Tarabai. The long war that lasted for 27 years. The Maratha War of Independence. He was the eldest son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. The then French traveller Abbe Carey says about this great king's battle skills, even though the prince is young, he is courageous and brave like his father was famous for. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. He used to harass the people in the Maratha territory. He used to raid, burn and loot the Maratha territory and commit atrocities. The Siddhi of Janjira. Aurangzeb did not succeed in his campaign against the Marathas. Therefore, he suspended that campaign and turned towards the kingdoms of these two powers, Adil Shah and Qutub Shah. Sambhaji Maharaj knew Sanskrit and many other languages well. He studied many ancient books on polity and wrote their gist in this book, Buddha Bhushanam. The second son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who became Chhatrapati after the passing away of Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. She chose to make Rajaram and not her own son the Chhatrapati. Her decision is a shining example of her love for Swaraj and her extreme selflessness. Maharani Yesubai, the capable wife of Rajaram Maharaj, came forward to lead the Swaraj movement in extremely unfavorable circumstances. Maharani Tarabai. Answer in one sentence. How did Sambhaji Maharaj shatter the dreams of Emperor Aurangzeb? Aurangzeb wanted to occupy regions from Kabul to Kanyakumari and create a grand unified Mughal empire. His dream was to destroy the Maratha state completely using his military and financial prowess. But Sambhaji Maharaj shattered his dreams with his bravery and military skills. Sambhaji Maharaj attacked the Revdanda fort of the Portuguese in 1683 CE. Answer. The Portuguese of Goa joined hands with the emperor against Sambhaji Maharaj. So Sambhaji Maharaj decided to teach a lesson to the Portuguese. Hence, he attacked the Revdanda fort of the Portuguese in 1683 CE. What was a characteristic of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's era? Answer. Even though Sambhaji Maharaj was busy fighting on various battlefronts, he did not ignore his administrative responsibilities. He continued to promote justice and revenue system, which was a characteristic of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Identify the following pictures. Answer. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai.